Hello everyone. This video is for phonics. Phonics we have already done with all the blends, the sounds of each and every alphabet, be it for vowels, be it for the blends. So we have done with that is, you can see here, for A is a vowel. So we have left that. We took next alphabet B. It's a consonant B. For that we have, with the help of the blends, using blends we have done words. We have formed 3-letter words. Then the next alphabet C. Then D. Then E is a vowel. Again after E, F. So today we will be seeing F. Today we will be seeing this alphabet F. F says F. F says F. That is ox, fox, ox, fox, ox, fox. So this is a short vowel sound. Okay. So we will read the blends first, which we have done previously in our videos. Like you can remember. Just a moment. We just take the blends. See here. It's ba, be, bi, bo, ba, ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. Then comes this one. Da, de, di, do, da, fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. This fa, fe, fi, fo, fa we will be seeing now. That is here. Can see now. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Okay. See now. Fa is a blend. Using this blend we will use to form new words, that is 3-letter words. Fa, an, fan, fat, fat, fag, fag, fe, fed, fed. If you write instead of D, if you take any other alphabet, let's say N. So fen will come, right? So you can take by your choice any alphabet. Fell. This is a long sound. This is a long sound. Long sound. Fell. Then fest. No, fig, fig. Fin. Then fit. One more thing, friends. See here. Fe is there, right? Fe. The same fe if you add here and we add any other vowel, let's say E. Fee, that is E, because E is a long vowel sound. Here it's only a short vowel sound. So it's a long vowel, double E. It's a long vowel. It's E is a vowel, hence it's a vowel. The sound is long. It's not short. That's why long vowel sound. Then fog, fox, fox, for, fun, fuzz, fuss. Okay, we will read once again first. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Fa. We have formed 3-letter words. Fan, fat, fag. Like that you can form by yourself any other word. Fe, fed, fell, fest. Fi, fig, fin, fit. Fo, fog, fox, for. Fun, fuzz, fuss. Fuzz, fuss. Okay. In our next video, we will see the other alphabet after F, that is G alphabet we will be seeing. G says G. We will be seeing in our next video.